The Microsoft 365 Copilot app is a convenient hub for all your Microsoft applications like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, documents, and the chat powered by Copilot, Microsoft's intelligent AI. You can download the app through the Microsoft Store, or you can use the web version. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate in the Microsoft 365 Copilot app so you can get the most out of your workflow. To start, let's look at the main menu on the left side of your screen. You can hide or bring back this menu using the icon in the top right of the menu bar. The menu contains 4 key items: Search, Chat, Create, and Apps. The first page you land on when you open the app is the chat page. In this chat, you can use Copilot to quickly and easily get answers to your questions. Type your question or message, also called a prompt, into this field. You can also choose from several suggested prompts to help you get started. Click See More to view additional prompts, and scroll down to the prompt gallery for an overview of all useful prompts you can use in the chat with Copilot. To add a file to the chat, click the plus icon and then Add Work Content. You can upload a file from your device or add something from your cloud. For example, type "Summarize the key points from this document" and Copilot will do the rest. To start a new chat, just click the purple box at the top right of the page. On the left side, you'll find all your previous conversations and pages. Pages contain previously generated content that you can reuse or further develop. You can also select a specialized agent to automate tasks or create a new agent yourself. Want to learn more about agents? Watch our video called "What are Agents?" Clicking Search takes you to this page. In the center of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Here you can search for your own documents or documents within your organization that are available to you. Note that files outside your Microsoft 365 environment, such as those on Google Drive or Dropbox, won't be available here. Personal files that aren't stored in the cloud also won't appear. Underneath that, you will find some files under Quick Access. These are the most recent files you've opened. You can also filter by file type by clicking Type. A small drop-down menu will appear where you can choose from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. You can also upload files by clicking Upload. Files uploaded here will be stored in your OneDrive. Now, let's have a look at the Create page. In addition to the integrated Copilot chat, you can also use Microsoft's powerful AI to generate new content such as images, infographics, posters, and many more options by clicking More. Want an image of an alpaca wearing a cheese costume? Just type that into the prompt. You also have the option to upload a reference image by clicking Add Content. Besides describing your image in the prompt, you can also adjust the style, color, and size of the image. Once everything is filled in, click Create. On the right side of the screen, you'll see options to edit the generated image with text and other visual elements. If you click back on Create, you'll also find previously generated content under Explore Images. These were created by other users and can be used as a starting point for your own prompts. If you've created something, like an image, you'll find it later under My Images. Lastly, at the bottom of the menu, you'll find the Apps option. Here, you'll find all the Microsoft applications available to you. At the top, you'll see the most commonly used apps, and by clicking All Apps, you'll get an overview of all available applications. At the bottom of the page, you can also explore by category. For example, productivity, utilities, or education. This way, all your apps are easily accessible from one central location. Now that you have enough knowledge to navigate the Microsoft 365 Copilot app, your workflow will become much easier and more efficient. Get started and good luck!
If you don't subscribe to the channel, this alpaca will get it!